We will begin by gently rubbing the skin surface, utilizing the wonderful cream provided by Fisiolution. This will help to stimulate surface circulation. Moving on to the second technique, referred to as pumping. To perform this technique, we interlock the two big toes and create a pumping motion promoting drainage. In this position, we will perform 20 pumping passes. Next, we will focus on massaging the knee. One hand will support underneath the knee, while the other applies medium pressure on top of the knee. Again, we will perform 20 pumping strokes. Transitioning to the calf region, we will continue with the front and back pumping technique as done on the knee. 20 gentle passes will be performed, with the second set targeted slightly above the ankle. The intensity and effect will remain consistent. For the final pumping technique, we will concentrate on the foot. Applying pressure to the front and back regions, our primary focus will be the ankle and the Achilles heel. To conclude, we will perform a pumping motion on the foot, using one hand to enhance the braking effect while the other drains downward.